To ensure a successful rooftop landscape, there are several aspects that need to be considered to construct it, such as the drainage system and also the growing media to be used. And these two factors is also depends on several factors such as type of green roof proposed, plant species, the surrounding condition of the rooftop area, and so on. For the drainage system, it is important to collect surface and subsurface water. There are about 14 types of drainage that is suitable to apply at the rooftop area, and it is the best way to handle the drainage system through the same system of the building. So here the several type of drainage system. The first one is type of roof drain under planting area. The second one is the roof drains for flat planted surface. And the third one is drains for low areas. The fourth one is the drains for paved area near planting beds. The fifth one is the main roof drain under planting. The sixth one is the half round drainage channel under planting. The seventh one is lightweight drainage technique. The eighth one is the subsurface drainage under paving. The ninth one is subsurface drainage for paving on pedestal. The 10th is subsurface drainage under paving on grade. 11. Whip hose and gutter to roof drain. 12 is the roof drain through topping slab. Number 13 is square surface drain. And the last one is lightweight alternative for raising planting bed. For another aspect need to be taken into account is the growing media, which is used to ensure the growth of the target plant species, and also it is also provide a permanent physical support for the plant and adequate plant available for water and also nutrient retention. It is also important to decide whether to use intensive or extensive rooftop landscape, or also can be used both of the type, because both of these type have a different characteristic and also specification that certainly give different way for the green roof management. There are difference between extensive and also intensive green roof type, which is for the extensive, it is usually more focused on the ecological purpose instead of other function. Meanwhile, for the intensive, it is maybe focused and provide more variety of functions such as recreational and aesthetic purposes. The function of this rooftop landscape will affect the factor to be considered for the construction of the green roof landscape. There is also a rooftop landscape that apply both intensive and extensive landscape type, which are in Universiti, Germany. So For this kind of rooftop landscape that apply both type of rooftop landscape need a lot of consideration and well planning for the management and construction. All of the aspects are important to be considered as it may prevent failure and risk the building area and its surrounding.